Yamaha Motor India has introduced a neo retro cruiser motorcycle in the market. This FZX is based on the popular FZ150 and the price starts at Rs 1,16,800 ex-showroom, making it 12,000 more expensive over the FZ150. Under the skin of the FZX is the same 149cc 2-valve motor which puts out 12.4 PS and 13.3 Nm of torque. In terms of design, FZX is quite a looker. The circular all-LED headlamps, tuck-and-roll seats, bare metal components and wide pattern block tires elevate the visual substance of the FZX. Technologically, FZX is the first Bluetooth-enabled Yamaha bike in India and a host of features come as a part of the package. Key insights like parking location, fuel consumption, malfunction notification can be accessed through the app. For this variant, you have to shell out 3,000 over the base one. In terms of equipment, FZX gets all LEDs, digital console, rear ABS and engine stand cutoff. A major difference between FZX and FZ150, apart from the way they look, is in the ergonomics. Yamaha says the retro cruiser is more upright and relaxed to ride. The deliveries will commence by June end. Yamaha has also introduced a key change in its scooters. Fasino, the 125cc offering, is now equipped with hybrid tech. Smart motor generator of the hybrid system functions as an electric motor to give you power assist when you accelerate from a stop. This will reduce the insecurity caused by the wobbliness during the start-outs in doubling or during uphill climbs. This first of its kind hybrid technology will be extended to race ER in future as well. Prices have not been revealed but are expected very soon.